Hi, I'm Amy. I'm glad you're here. If you're looking for a new townhome in the trendy LoSo area of Charlotte, South Tryon Townhomes might be exactly what you're looking for. This new community is coming soon, which means right now you have the opportunity to become a VIP and be among the first to own here at the lowest price. If convenient location is at the top of your must-have list, you can check that off here. You'll be just a quick walk from the Scalyburg light rail station, giving you easy access to all of South End or Uptown for work. On the weekends, walk over to places like Old Mecklenburg Brewery, Brewers at Yancey, Queen Perk Social, and more to grab a drink or a bite to eat. And when you're looking to go for a run or take your dog for a walk, the Charlotte Rail Trail is nearby too. One of my favorite things about working with new homeowners is seeing their faces light up when they get to personalize their new home with options and finishes. After you pick your floor plan, you'll get to choose from professionally designed finishes to suit your style. And great news, stainless steel appliances are included. Now you can make your design dreams a reality. There are a few options when it comes to your floor plan layout. If you want 4 bedrooms and 1,800 square feet, you'll have a 1-car garage. Or if you prefer a 2-car garage, you'll have 3 bedrooms and 1,680 square feet. Either way, you'll enjoy a 4th floor with rooftop terrace, perfect for a home office or extra hangout space. So, is this the new home you've been looking for? If so, join the VIP list today to get updates on community progress, pricing, floor plans, and be the first to know when we start selling, even before the public. I can't wait to welcome you home.